What was once a pipe dream 10 years ago finally became a realistic goal after purchasing Savory, our 42-foot steel sailboat. For the past 5 years, we've set up our lives to prioritize preparing her and our family to cruise from Galiano Island, British Columbia, down the west coast of the United States and into Mexico, with our eyes set on what Jacques Cousteau coined the aquarium of the world, the Sea of Cortez. And now, after exactly 90 days and 1,906 nautical miles, we finally dropped Savory's anchor into the warm, sandy-bottom bay of La Paz. When entering this very large bay, it's essential to follow buoy markers, as sandbars are scattered throughout. Some are even revealed with breaking waves at low tide. We were reminded of this daily after anchoring beside a shipwreck that must have dragged anchor and run aground long ago. La Paz, meaning peace, is the capital and largest city of the entire state of Baja California Sur, and it would eventually become our home base for the next month and a half. We didn't initially anticipate spending so much time here, but it was an easy place for friends and family to fly into and visit along our journey. We immediately sensed that this city felt more tranquil, cleaner, and laid back than nearby Cabo San Lucas. La Paz has a long, lively 3.5-mile boardwalk called La Malecon, which we walked almost daily to shake out our legs. Here, we found some epic activities for the kids, admired the numerous sculptures, and every so often treated ourselves to fresh, traditional Mexican cuisine. We also discovered Cerro de la Calavera, or Skull Hill, our favorite hike that overlooked the city. A steep but beautiful 3.1-mile trek. Ecotourism is by far the most important source of tourism income in La Paz, namely swimming with whale sharks nearby the anchorage and sea lion pups off Los Islotes. What's more, World Heritage bioreserves including Isla Espiritu Santo and Bahia Balandra are just a few hours to a day sail away. The area has a deep history of pearl harvesting dating back to the 1500s. This made it a crucial spot for Spanish explorers, and exploiters, I might add, like Hernán Cortés. But beyond oysters, the waters surrounding La Paz are rich with a plethora of fascinating marine life. So much so that Louis and I jumped at the opportunity to get our Level 1 18-meter diving certification with Buceo Carré Dive Center, an incredibly unique and unforgettable 5-day immersion into a whole new world. Car rentals were very affordable at 35 to 65 Canadian per day, and nearby destinations like Todos Santos and La Ventana were just a few-hour drive away. And as a side, instead of Uber, an app more widely used in this area is Didi Driver. Right in the marina was the Club Cruceros, a building dedicated to hosting local and foreign cruisers with morning coffee meetups, a free library, weekly yoga, and even courses on celestial navigation. Turns out this cruisers club was also a great spot to switch up our Treasurefish School location.
9 top to bottom.
And perhaps most important of all, Santa does visit boats in this bay.
J'adore le brise.
All in all, this dry, sunny, historic city in the heart of the Sea of Cortez was the perfect place to spend time at this point along our adventure. Up next, a more in-depth look at our encounter with the biggest fish in the sea. whale sharks.